everyone, welcome to class. My name is Ramani. I'm going to be guiding you through a quick stretch. Whether you have on jeans like me or you have on regular yoga clothes, we are going to have a good one. Let's start by sweeping our arms up overhead for mountain pose and breathing here. Let's come into a side body stretch by grabbing the left wrist and then leaning over to our right side, really feeling a stretch all in that left side body. And we come back to mountain pose, and now let's repeat that on the other side. We come back to mountain pose one more time, making our way into a forward fold, hinging at the hips, reaching for the yoga mat or the legs, and just pedaling the legs out, bending and straightening the legs. Slowly roll up, coming back into your mountain pose, lifting your arms. Hands come to heart center, take a deep breath, and let's repeat that again by circling the arms up overhead for mountain pose. And then we go into that side body stretch again, grabbing onto that left wrist, gently pulling on that left wrist as you breathe here. And now let's switch sides. Come back to mountain pose and forward fold. Hinge at the hips, shake your legs out. Let's come into a ragdoll pose by opening the legs and grabbing opposite arms and just letting the upper body hang here. Maybe you sway from side to side, or maybe you're just staying still. We come back to mountain pose, hands come to heart center so you can make your way into a triangle pose on the right side. Turning the right toes out towards the right side, left toes are going to face front, and then you just tick-tock your arms so that you are grabbing onto that ankle with that right hand, and then the left arm is up, and you can look up or you can look down. And now we come into our reverse triangle. And let's set up for our triangle on the left side, so hinging forward and then tick-tocking those arms. And now we come into our reverse triangle. Bring that arm back down as you prepare for your star pose, opening the legs a little bit, squaring the toes, and lifting the arms up overhead. Take an inhale and wide-legged forward fold on the exhale. Let's come back up into our star pose, and hands come to heart center as you close the legs, taking some deep breaths in and out through the nose. Sweep the arms up for mountain pose, placing your right hand on your left shoulder and wrapping that left arm behind you in a bind. And we're just doing a little twist here in the torso. And we come back to mountain pose, and let's reverse that twist now. Back to your mountain pose and forward fold. Let's shake the legs out one more time. Sweep the arms up overhead and hands come to heart center, taking a deep breath. Thank you so much for joining me in class today. I really hope you enjoyed this quick yoga stretch. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below. I'll see you in our next class. Have a great day.